Yo, it's me, I'm back, and I got a new release for Stoway. Finally, after a long time, like a real long time. And I just blame school. Didn't have time to come back to do this. But now it's back, and since I got time, I'm gonna continue doing like most of it. So this is just a showcase for the full rewrite, right? Some things to mention. The entire backend is rewritten. The entire front end is rewritten, and we added it. Well, I added in the bind functions, and I fixed up most of the tracking issues, most of the optimization issues, all of the code structure problems that I was facing, and I even added in some debug commands, some UI reloading, and some better stacking on the server. So let's hurry up, show you these nice demo, and I should be done in like a couple of minutes. It's only 1 minute in, so just like last time, nice, easy equips. Click to equip. You know, put the backpack, swapping with this equip. You know, you know, swapping back and forth. s- You know what I mean? It's same old. Right? This time, I'm pretty sure this works properly. The thing works because if see, it is 5. If I take this and I drop it, it is now 4. Right? Great. But as you can see, if I step on this, it won't add anything to my backpack. The reason is simply because the inventory service does not recognize anything in the backpack. We don't do that anymore. Backpack tracking, that is. What we do is completely through the let's go to the server. I'm just checking. Right? In the server, there is this nice little guy here, and this module is the one and only way to add stuff to your backpack, storage, hotbar, whatever you want to call it. It's the only way now. And this way just makes it way easier to keep track of things. Way easier, right? You could find stuff added to the backpack on the server to this, but I don't recommend it. Instead, I really recommend that if you want to do anything, like if you step on a part, have it on a collection service and then have it added to the backpack like through this service, right? Just have it added through here. Here's a, I don't know, let me find the function. Add item, right? Right? Use this right here and add something. So you can see when you spawn, I add in the apple, shield, sword, and wood. Just use that. It's easier, it's better, it's more secure, it's faster. So that's just the headless part of this. So backend. Sorry for pausing so much. I'm just trying to kind of show off everything as quickly as I can. So let me just show you some of the debugs, right? Add slash add wood help. Whoops. Wood 3. There you go. 3 stacks of wood. Um uh I think another thing I added was resetting. Once you reset, you have it equipped again in your backpack. How that works is simple. It's right here. This code, you reload the client, check if you had something equipped. If so, then we find the slot type and the index. We unequip, then we re-equip it again. And that's simple. That's just how it works. Um, you can see the stacking works. If you count it up, it's seven. Seven. Let's try to swap UIs real quick. So, slash set UI um admin. Right. So now this is the admin UI. I know it looks kind of dorky or like girly-ish, but like it's kind of my fault. Like, look, the hover effect. It's just a damn thing like moving. It's so stupid. I really like it. Right? Selecting kind of puts this little circle around it. Right? You can drag and drop still works. So that's really nice. So set UI default. It just goes right back to the default. Oh, and by the way, I think stuff still persists. So slash set UI admin, you'll see that right here, and I'll move, this will persist over. So this will be equipped when I run this. Watch. See the little circle thing? See? Now when I do this and I click it, it unequips. It's really nice. See if I here's like the reverse, so it just looks easier. Default, right? It persists, which is really tough. All right, 7 minutes deep. I think that's about it. So there's a probably too much to explain, too much to go through. So instead, I'll just refer you to come here, read, right? Download, right? Please read through this. Um, oh yeah, I forgot. I have a documentation. So just come here, click here, go over here and read. Yeah, just read. That's that's all it is. Just read. Um, yeah, don't mind half this. This is a full release. This is kind of exploit proof, as because most of everything is not gonna be in the backpack. So nobody will know what you have unless they're like a admin or mod that has access to the server, right? That can access the server. So like, see, I have these four items. There's nothing in the backpack. There's nothing in the backpack on the server either. Literally. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching my little showcase. Um, if you have any questions or anything, I'm not gonna lie, ask AI. But thank you for watching so far. And I'm a link possibly the module. I'm a link to someone who created this module, as this will be coming in future updates for version 2. In version 2, there will just be keybind changes. So you can change this from 3 to G or backspace, and I'll be updating this for console usage with some pretty cool stuff. So, yeah, look out for that. Thanks for watching, man.